Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're going to find recent searches now. First, open Reddit in a browser or the official app and sign in. Once logged in, make sure you're on the correct profile if you manage multiple accounts. On desktop, use the site interface. On mobile, open the app and tap your avatar to access account menus. These choices matter because history locations differ. Now that you're signed in and on the intended account, proceed to the search bar and prepare to reveal search entries. Now interact with the search field to surface history. Click or tap the search box. On desktop, you can also press Ctrl+K. On mobile, tap the magnifying glass. As you focus the field, Reddit shows recent searches, suggestions, and autofill entries tied to your account. Type the first few letters of an old query to filter just those entries. Once done, you'll see timestamps or contextual subreddit hints for many results, which helps you recall where and when you searched. Finish by cleaning or keeping what you need. To remove single items, tap the X beside a suggestion. To wipe everything, go to Settings and clear search history. If you don't see history, make sure you're signed in and that the app isn't in private mode. On mobile, check storage and permissions. As a last resort on desktop, consult your browser history for past Reddit. Com searches. If problems persist, log out and back in or update the app to refresh stored search data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.